Solar energy, the energy harnessed from the sun, is becoming an increasingly popular source of renewable energy. But what is it exactly? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of using solar power? Let's start with the basics. Solar energy is the conversion of sunlight into electrical power using photovoltaic (PV) cells. These cells are made of silicon and can be found in solar panels that are installed on rooftops, on the ground, or even on a car. The advantages of solar energy are many. For one, it is a renewable energy source. The sun is expected to last for another 5 billion years, which means we have an unlimited source of energy. Secondly, solar energy is clean and doesn't produce any harmful pollutants or greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. And finally, solar panels are low maintenance and require very little upkeep once they're installed. But what about the disadvantages? Well, the initial cost of installing solar panels can be quite expensive, making it not feasible for some people. Another factor to consider is that solar panels only work during the day. This means that at night, or during days with heavy cloud cover, you'll need another source of energy to power your home. Despite these drawbacks, the advantages of solar energy far outweigh the disadvantages. Not only is it more sustainable and eco-friendly, but it's also becoming more affordable and accessible as technology improves. So why not consider making the switch to solar power? Your wallet and the planet will thank you.